In a time of rising energy costs and stricter environmental regulations, we offer you the solution for efficient, sustainable and future-proof building management. SAUTER Vision Center ensures user-oriented operations and demand-driven control. At the same time, it provides energy management and building analytics. Because integrated energy management helps you drastically reduce operating costs and improve your carbon footprint. Through real-time monitoring, you not only save energy costs, your building data is transformed into concrete insights, showing you precisely how to enhance your property's performance. Our building analytics detects problems before they arise. Anomalies are identified in real time, ranging from inefficient HVAC systems to vibrating valves. This enables preventive maintenance. Room operation, monitoring and management are seamlessly integrated. Users control their environment while the system analyzes and documents in the background. Both employees and facility managers benefit from digital connectivity. Data flows become transparent and processes smarter. SAUTER Vision Center thus lays the foundation for future-ready buildings. Benefit from reduced downtime, lower staffing requirements and decreased maintenance costs, while simultaneously optimizing room comfort and increasing energy efficiency. Vacancies and underutilization are also detected at an early stage, allowing operations to be adjusted accordingly. Changing regulations? No problem. SAUTER Vision Center is continuously developed and adapts to legal and technical requirements. This way, you not only save today, but also secure your investments for the future. SAUTER Vision Center is suitable for every type of building, from renovated historic structures and new builds to industrial facilities. Each property and sector comes with its own requirements. For example, we provide solutions for hospitals that guarantee 24/7 availability and the highest hygiene standards, while supporting compliance and documentation obligations. Data centers benefit from our high-precision climate control for maximum efficiency, security and availability. In retail, we optimize the operation of branch networks. And for office complexes, we ensure room comfort in both individual and open-plan offices with minimal resource use. SAUTER Vision Center offers modular and flexible functions that adapt to your individual requirements. Whether cloud, on-premise or hybrid, our solutions are tailor-made and grow with your building. To protect your infrastructure, we implement comprehensive measures in line with the latest security standards. We support facility managers, asset managers and building operators at every stage, from planning to implementation. With branches and partners worldwide, we are always close to you, ensuring fast, reliable and local support. SAUTER. Together, we shape the future of intelligent building management.